Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create split screen effect in VN editor. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create split screen effect in VN editor, then all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your VN editor. So once you're in your VN editor, you need to start with a main video. Now once you have your main video, you need to now use the overlay or PIP or sticker feature to add your second and third video clip. Now you need to position and resize each clip on the screen to form your desired layout, example side by side or stacked, ensuring they are all start and end together, and use the crop tool for clean edges. So if you're going to do this, then you can create a perfect split screen effect in VN Editor without any hesitation or without any obstacle. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.